Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple method that can easily fix the LG TV that won't turn on. So if your TV stays stuck, the standby light behaves strangely, or pressing the remote button does nothing, this quick fix is worth trying before assuming the TV is completely dead. So first of all, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply unplug the LG TV directly from the wall outlet. Do not just turn it off with the remote, simply remove the power completely. After doing so, what you need to do is you need to simply find the physical power button on top of your LG TV, and then you just have to simply press and hold this particular power button for at least 30 seconds minimum, but you can also hold it for, let's say, 60 seconds or while the TV remains unplugged. So this drains the leftover electrical charges that are stored inside the capacitors, or it forces the TV hardware to reset. So after releasing the button, you just have to leave the TV unplugged for another 1 to 2 minutes, and you don't need to skip this particular step, and make sure that you give it some time. So after doing this, you just have to simply reconnect the TV directly to the wall outlet instead of using any extension boards or power strips, and then you just have to simply turn it on again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.